Kiprich, big up yourself, my brother. On the 20th of May, you're back in court. We wish you all the best, right? God's be with you, my brother, because this is foolishness.
Yeah, man, I just want prayers and prayers and more prayers because, I mean, when I went to the court the other day, I was so shocked because, I mean, the treatment was like I'm a notorious man coming to court, because when I saw the whole outside of the courthouse like was lined off with police and soldiers and stuff like that, and they were blocking off the street. And I'm saying to my lawyer, yo, all of that is for me. And I said, yo, this is crazy. When I see inside of the courtroom that like the courtroom them empty the courtroom to facilitate me. Like, I say, yo, what's going on?
John Gotti arrived. John Gotti's in the building.
You know what I mean? I say, yo, come on, Kiprich is not that kind of, you know what I mean? What is this? What is this? You know what I mean?
That is so what you call, that's a show. That's a show.
It starts scaring me. It starts scaring me. It made me start afraid of my own country.
Yeah, man.
It made me start. It scared me because when I see this, like, I mean, I've never been in anything like this before, and then the magnitude of this that I am seeing, you know, for the first time being in a situation like this, like me, I say, yo, how am I even really want to be bad man? Because that kind of something, the way how this make me feel, me not eat for days and all them kind of thing there. You know what I mean? So me not see, oh, a man really want to do wrongs and keep doing wrongs and all of them kind of thing that for experience this kind of thing over and over is not a good feeling.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Or maybe me not cut out for that.
but you're not.
You don't like it.
You're not, and that's why you sing songs, brother. That's why you sing hit songs. All right.
Exactly.
And we all know this. You know, Kiprich just arrived yesterday, right?
Yes.
We've been seeing Kiprich on stage and singing songs for years. Everybody know Kiprich character. You're the air story. You're the sittings.
Yes.
You're the know things already.
Yes.
If the man is
because you know Kiprich is the kind of artist where you get the social commentary from, and you're gonna get drama songs. You're gonna get comical songs. You're gonna get the true word kind of songs and where respectfully thrown.
Right.
You understand me? Because if you listen to a song like even Riot, it's not a disrespectful song. Words showing in it, you know.
Yes.
You know,
the truth hurts.
You can play that song on the radio without editing it. Because I'm not cursing nobody, like, you know, no outrageous thing, not saying it.
Right,
you know what I mean?
Right,
and I'm still bringing the point across. Right. You know, a Christian person can listen to it and have a laugh, same way. You know? So if you check, I structure my content, then me is not that kind of violent kind of person the way we don't sing with two little gangster songs for dub plate reasons and them kind of thing, because you know say as a man we do dub plates and do, you know, like clashes and all them thing there, you have to blend in two of them little song there in the thing. You're not gonna just have straight songs to the ladies alone when you do that either side. I think that's why you want to eat the dog plate food.
Yes.
Because you know most of the songs them we sing for the ladies and them thing there. If for a sound man come feed, you have to go flip the nice lady song and turn it now one gangster song.
Right.
To be able to turn it now